mentioned, it'll be up on the video online here in a minute.
All right, so we're going to look at number 2 here real quick. So at this one, before we had, in number 1, we had a box because we had the 3 different things. But here, we just have a rectangle. It still kind of looks like a box because that's how I made it. But so for number 2, we have this rectangle because we can just take this x out. So since there's an x here and an x here, you can take that out and just have it as x times x minus 4 because that's how we can get x squared minus 4x. So this is what we have to put in our squares. So when we're breaking it up into what's on the outside, we have x and then x minus 4. Does that make sense? So that's how you do number 2. It's just, since there's common factor in there, you can pull that out and then have the x on this side and the x minus 4. You're right. So we have x times x minus 4. One of these has to be 0. So if x is 0, then you have that. So that's one possible answer. And then either if x minus 4 is 0, then you have that. And you can just solve that real quick by adding 4 to both sides. You get x equals 4. So you have x equals 0 and x equals 4 for your 2 answers. You guys have any questions about that? Cool. Then I know some of you just did 3, but in a minute we'll do number 3, just so it can show you guys how to do that.